Are you tired of struggling to make ends meet with a low income? Do you dream of a life of financial freedom and abundance? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm going to share with you the 9 habits that will help you become rich, even with a low income. Habit 1. Set clear financial goals. It's important to have a clear vision of where you want to be financially and set achievable goals to get there. Whether it's buying a house, starting your own business, or saving for retirement, having a goal will keep you focused and motivated. Habit 2. Create a budget and stick to it. Knowing where your money is going is crucial to building wealth. By tracking your expenses and cutting unnecessary spending, you can free up more money to save and invest in your future. Habit 3. Save and invest regularly. Even if you can only afford to save a small amount each month, it's important to make saving a priority. By investing in low-cost index funds and diversified assets, you can make your money work for you and grow over time. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Habit 4. Educate yourself on financial literacy. Knowledge is power when it comes to building wealth. Take the time to learn about investing, budgeting, and personal finance to make informed decisions about your money. Habit 5. Network and build relationships. Success often comes from the people you know. By networking with like-minded individuals and building strong relationships, you can open doors to new opportunities and grow your income potential. Habit 6. Practice gratitude and positive thinking. A positive mindset is key to attracting wealth and success into your life. By practicing gratitude and visualizing your financial goals, you can manifest abundance and prosperity. Habit 7. Take care of your health. Your health is your greatest asset. By prioritizing self-care and maintaining a healthy lifestyle, you can reduce medical expenses and improve your overall well-being, leading to greater productivity and financial success. Habit 8. Give back and help others. Generosity is a key component of building wealth. By giving back to your community and helping those in need, you can create a positive impact and attract abundance into your life. Habit 9. Enjoy the journey. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Take the time to celebrate your successes, enjoy the fruits of your labor, and appreciate the journey towards financial freedom. By incorporating these 9 habits into your life, you can transform your financial situation and pave the way to becoming rich, even with a low income. Start implementing these habits today and watch as your wealth and prosperity grow. Remember, your financial future is in your hands. It's time to take control and make your dreams a reality.